Everyone, welcome to another short video. With this video, we'll start our journey to Palo Alto's data plane. And in this video, we are going to look at the tab interface type of Palo Alto. Let's go to the firewall. And to configure the interface, we have to click on the network. Then under the interfaces, we can see all of our Ethernet interfaces. I'm going to configure ETH one by one as the tab interface. So what is tap interface? Tap interface is an interface type which you usually use when you just want your Palo Alto to look to the traffic. Basically when you do the POC of a Palo Alto, I just want my Palo Alto to receive the traffic and see what is currently running on my network. And in future, before I put my firewall, for the real protection between my LAN and WAN, I I can see before putting it there what is really running on my LAN, so I can decide how should my policy should look and what I need to allow and what I need to block, such things. So as per our topology, I'm going to mirror this ETH 0 by 1 port uh, with the destination interface as ETH 0 by 0. So whatever traffic my switch sends on ETH 0 by 1 will be mirrored to ETH 0 by 0. So a copy of that will be sent to this interface and the Palo Alto will receive it over its ETH 1 by 1. Okay. Now let's first do Palo Alto site configuration for the tap interface. I go to Palo Alto, click on ETH 1 by 1, and then let's put a comment here. And then interface type, you can see there are many types, but we are only going to discuss about the tap interface. Tap, and let's put it in a security zone. I'll create a new zone as there is no zone. So I'll put a name to the zone. I'll name it as tab zone. And you can see when I create it from a tab interface, the type of zone is already set as tab zone. Hit OK. It's now part of the tab zone. No other advanced config. I'm just gonna hit OK. Okay, my interface has been configured. Now I do need to create a policy as well in order to log the traffic and see, what is really passing through. Let's go to policies. I'm just going to create a security policy. Add. I'll say tab rule. I'm going to keep rule type as universal. We'll talk about all of this stuff when we move on to the policies. In source, any source zone. I'll say any destination zone, any application, any service. Action, just log the session at the end, and yeah, this action is basically allow that so that we can log the session at the end. Okay, now hit OK. Our rule has been created, and now commit the configuration. Okay, the configuration is being committed. While the configuration, let's do our switch side configuration. Config 2. Let's make our interfaces ETH 0 by 0 no shut, and also ETH 0 by 2 no shut. So I have made these two interfaces up. I'm not making this interface up. So I'll make this interface up when the commit is complete, so I can see everything from the start, what this machine does. Okay, this is up. Now I'm going to set a monitor. So monitor session 1, source interface. What is the source interface? ETS 0 by 1. I want to monitor, receive, and transfer both directions of the traffic. And then I'll do monitor session 1 and destination where I need to mirror that ETH 0 by 0. And that's it. Oh, sorry, it says run recognize command, mistype some or session, session number, destination, interface. I was missing interface. ETH 0 by 0 and done. Exit. Now let's see, show monitor session 1. Yep, things look good here. Now the port mirroring has been configured. The switch, and I'll go on to my Linux machine as well. Let's go to Palo Alto and see if the commit is complete so I can make that port up. Yeah, commit is complete. Now I am going to make this port up ETS 0 by 1. Shut, exit, exit. Let me see. The three ports should be up. First three. Yep, that's first three are up, up, up. Perfect. Close it now. Let's go to the machine. Where's the line expression? Here is it. Let's put the password in. Yep. Now let's see if it has an IP address already. System tools, Q terminal, command is IPADD. It doesn't have an IP address yet. If it has, it will receive on ENS3. Let's check if it is configured for DNS, sorry, DHCP base. IP addressing fetch. Yeah, you can see it says automatic DHCP. Perfect. Let's close it. Let's wait for some time while it gets the IP address. And yep, we need to just wait and be patient. It should get an IP address in some time. Taking its sweet time to get an IP address. While in order to see the logs on Palo Alto, we need to go under the monitor section and I'll close it. I might already have some logs, but we'll focus the logs in the basically latest recent logs. So this is about half an hour back. So I'm looking for some recent logs once they start coming up here. Let's give it some time. I'm going to check if everything is okay or not. ENS3 is the device. DHCP con perfect. Yeah, I can cancel or save. I'll wait for it. Let's see if there are any logs popping up in the firewall. Not yet. Let's give it some time. Let's see if our interface is properly up or not. Yeah, if we go in here, configured end up 100 Mbps, link duplex full. Yeah, switch also have been correctly configured. These three ports are up. Here is my DHCP server. Then the traffic should go this way and then this way, and this port then should be mirrored to this. Let's be patient. No logs. As of now, taking its time. Policies. Policies fine. I created a universal policy below and log at the end. Okay. Yeah, you can see connection established. That means now it has received an IP address. And I should be able to see the DHCP stuff as well soon in the logs. I'll keep them refreshing. It would come. Just be patient for it. It will be coming here. Let's access some more things till then here and generate some traffic. I'll try to open Wikipedia. Let's try to open port quiz on 8080. Good. And then let's open YouTube as well. This is on Fox Advisory to read. Okay, we have generated enough traffic. Now let's see the logs. Yeah, you can see the latest log have now come. You can see this is my machine's IP address. Let's check the IP address of the machine. I believe that's the one because we have only one machine. IPADD. Yeah, you can see 173/24 is the IP address. Perfect. I'll close it and look at the firewall. So we can see in the firewall what is right now running in our LAN. We are running web browsing and the port is 8080. So this is the port quiz traffic. And then this one application couldn't be recognized. And then 443 Google Analytics, SSL, DNS is recognized as a DNS based an application. And then NTP is running. And let's see what's there on the second page. You can see the DHCP was recognized, the DHCP traffic, and it came from this. This is my DHCP server IP address, and this is the IP address that was assigned to the machine. So that's how, you can see in advance what is running on your LAN and design your policies and other configurations accordingly. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.